And now we move to the second exercise. And in this exercise, we're gonna start with this image, this image, this image, this image, and we're gonna try to get this result. We're gonna put each logo of these brands in front of the name of the brand. Just like this. Close the photo, go to Photoshop, File, Open, and we select all the files we're gonna need from file 1, 2, 3, 4. Now all of them are open here. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna bring the YouTube logo and put it just right here. The YouTube logo is in file 2, but this time we're not gonna use the tool we previously used, the rectangular marquee tool. Instead, we're gonna use a tool called the magic wand tool. Just right here, click, and now the magic wand is selected. We go to the YouTube logo, and it's very simple. We just click, and this tool is very smart and practical. It recognizes all the area and it selects all the area. Then the move tool, and we do the same thing we did in the previous exercise. We take it from here and then drag and drop. We drop it here. Control T. We change the size a little bit to make it a little bit bigger, just like this, and then click on commit. Second logo we're gonna move is the Twitter logo, which is right here. Same tool, the magic wand tool, and we click. Now the Twitter logo is selected. Move, same thing, and drag and drop right here. Control T will make it a little bit bigger, and commit. Third is the Adidas logo right here. Magic wand, we click, we maintain shift to add more to the selection. We click and click on again on the third part. Now the Adidas logo is selected. Once it's selected, go to the move tool, same thing from here to here, drag and drop, and we put it right there. Control T, we make it a little bit bigger and click on commit. The fourth logo is the Microsoft logo right here. Same thing we did with the Adidas logo. We click once with the magic wand, maintain shift, click again, maintain shift, click again, and click again. Now the entire logo is selected. Same thing, drag and drop, Control T, we make it bigger, and commit. The fifth logo is the Instagram logo. This time we need to zoom, Control plus. We're gonna try using the magic wand to make a selection. But it's very difficult. It's very difficult because it's not just one color in the Instagram logo. It's a gradient that goes from yellow to red to pink to purple, which makes it a lot harder to select. And we won't use the magic wand tool. Instead, we're going to use another tool, which is the quick selection tool, and you're going to see what it does. Right now it's very big, it's like a pen. We need to reduce the size just like this. Let's say 7. The size is 7. We choose the quick select tool and then we click here, we maintain, and now the entire logo is selected. Once it's selected, move tool, and we go to file 1, drag and drop, just like that. Control T will make it a little bit bigger, and then commit. Now the Monster Energy logo, which is in file 3, same thing we did. We notice there is a gradient color in the Monster logo too, so we're gonna need to use the quick selection tool. We can start here and move. You can see now this entire part is selected. We keep going. Now this part too is selected. It's very smart tool. It's very clever. It recognizes what should be in, what should be out. We do the same thing in this part, and we add some more selection. Now the entire logo is selected. Go to the move tool, take it from file 3 to file 1, drag and drop, just like that. We can make it a little bit smaller this time and keep it right there. Last thing we're gonna add is this big logo. We're gonna put it in the bottom right here. To do that, we're gonna try to use the quick selection tool, and we can do that. It can work. Now this part is selected. We go to this part and we select it too, and we can use this tool and it works perfectly fine, but we're not gonna do that. Control D, we deselect. Instead, there is a much easier way, which is we go back to the magic wand tool, and instead of selecting the logo, we select everything that's not the logo, which means the green part. We click on the green part. Now everything outside the logo is selected. What we do now, we go to select, inverse, and now the opposite is selected, which is of course the logo. Now the logo is selected. Click on the move tool. We take the logo from file 4 to file 1, drag and drop, just like that, and now we have the logo just right here. Control T, we make it smaller and put it in the center, just like that, and then click on commit. Now the exercise is done. You go do the same exercise and don't forget to save.